Abracadabra! Happy Halloween! What shall we twist today? Please welcome in clown action.
Start by pumping up a white sand or a white long balloon. Make one pinch twist, one 8cm bubble, another pinch twist. Now you're going to make 4 more 8cm bubbles back and forth to make the head. In total, there will be 5 8cm bubbles and 2 pinch twists for the head. As you're twisting, adjust it to make sure it looks symmetrical. Now pump up another long balloon of the same color. Then attach it onto the other side of the head. Squeeze the air out of both of them a little bit and twist them at the bottom of the head. Using the shorter balloon, make 2 6cm bubbles and fold it on itself. This will make the torso. Using the shorter balloon again, make 4 pinch twists for the waist. Since we ran out of balloon here, we're just going to make 3 and tie it off. And use the longer balloon to make the 4th pinch twist. Now that the waist is done, we're going to move on to the legs. Adjust it to make sure it's standing upright. With the legs, start by a 7cm bubble, a pinch twist, a loop twist, a 2cm bubble in the middle as a spacer, another pinch twist and another loop twist, and a 7cm bubble back onto the waist. Now you've got your 2 legs. Now you can cut this balloon off and save it for later. Here, you might want to adjust your balloon to make sure it's symmetrical and standing upright. Using the remaining piece of balloon, split the 14cm bubble in half and slide it under the head. This will be your 2 arms. Now that the twisting part is done, let's get to drawing. Start by using a green Sharpie and draw a button eye. Then use a red Sharpie to draw a heart. And use a black marker to add some details including the button eyes, the crossed eye, and the stitches on its body and the mouth. And now you're all done.
Whoa, I have a balloon voodoo doll. If you like my channel, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.